how to create HTML tables reports from the Oracle database. So if you want to automate the task of getting reports from the Oracle database, for example, tables messages, tables, usernames. If any user if any user or schema gets expired, their password gets expired, or they get locked. So in that case, you can create a report, and then that report could be sent to the particular or respective group. So it will that group will take some action against it. Okay, extra action for that. So in this way, we can use the Oracle database reports. So in this video, we will going to learn that how to create an HTML report from the Oracle database and send it to the mail. Okay, so currently I have opened an Oracle session. Okay, so let me go inside the Oracle database. Okay, so here we are inside the Oracle database. So first of all, I will mention some command here. Then the Oracle database, so SQL Plus will generate a report, and that report will be saved in the current directory. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, we need to set markup HTML on. Okay, this one is the first. Now after this, we need to mention the spool. So this spool will create an file which is named as index.html. So this is our main file. Okay, all this stuff we are getting from the query will be saved inside this index.html file. Okay, then after this we have to mention our query. Okay, so for example, I'm mentioning instant id, host name, then instance name from $, instance. Okay, that's it. Here you can see that the SQL Plus has generated some report for this. Okay, now finally we need to off spool off. Okay, now the last step would be set markup HTML off. Okay, done. So this is how we have created our HTML report. Okay, so let me refresh it. Okay, so you can see here that we have got our report. So in this way you can generate a report. Okay, so again let me do again. Okay, now again we will do set markup HTML on, then spool index.html. Then here we need to mention our query. Okay, so now we will mention username, account status from DBA users where row num. For the first 10 rows we want the output. Okay, so it will select the username and account status for each and every user. Okay, so it has been done. Now finally we will off this spool. Now set the markup HTML to the off. Done. Let again refresh it. Okay, you can see here we are getting the output in this way. Okay, so in this way we can generate an HTML report from getting. So generally it will be sent to the respective groups using cron tabs. Okay, so in this way we can generate it. So guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.